Listen, so if anybody asks me why may I do this, I don't know. Okay? So let's just get it over with before me change my mind. Alright? Stay tuned. Okay, so yeah, you know whose channel it is, you know where you are. Okay, so welcome back. We are unboxing random perfumes for my $0 Timu haul. Timu? Yeah, that. Yeah. So I will drop the coupon code in the description. You can go ahead and use up that. The coupon code is that discount code, whatever it is. I'll drop it down below. Use it to get some $0 stuff from Timu. Alright? Yeah. I know the last time I did this unboxing random perfume thing, it never go down so well. And you know, I promised myself, say, me never gonna do it again. But here we are. Alright. $0. So it should be, so I don't know what this is. 1, 2, oh wait. So first in this bag, whoa. There's a nice little necklace. Wait. Hold on. Is this free or did I pay for it? I think I bought this necklace. Or did I? I don't remember. It's probably free now. I think it's free. From TV. Listen, if y'all want me to keep doing these unboxing things and these shopping things, just continue to send me free items then. Understand? Let me see if this one is like, if it's a manly kinda, I don't know. It's just a silver necklace. Manly? It's for male. Is it for male? It look like, yeah. Oh look. We can try it now. Now it is something there. Wait about it. Oh, that's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. There, there's a nice little, you know, minus this by, yeah, that. Hey man, so this one. The problem is now if you get it off. Anyways, nah, come on. This supposed to be a perfume. Should be about 4 of them in here. So, and we're trying to go into this video as quickly as possible because long editing, the whole about editing something now work out for me because he's a busy man, tired, understand. Come on. The normal. Alright, this is first on the list. Okay. So this Sexy Man Paris. It's just 1.87 ounce though. Sexy Man perfume. I mean, I know I am, but come on. Alright, let me try this out. Yeah, this not bad. This not bad. Yeah, this like give a nice little casual smell. It smells like a real perfume. It's giving like you know, when you put on like one of the Voyage perfume, I'm sure. It's giving Nautica. Yeah, this is it is not a pair, it is not a classic match, it's just a perfume, but it's giving Nautica. Right? So we arrest this over here. So this not bad. There should be another one for this. Why you open this now? Y'all know me and packages when it's time to open stuff. Because bro, all of these things come from the same place in one box. Why this have in our... Alright, let's see this one now. This is... I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible because I don't want the video to go long. This name, Only You. So yeah, so Only You here, and then you have low cost for man. Yes. So based on the black box, this is giving me dark, but it's yellow. Now I'm concerned about this because I have a feeling this is not going to be like, let me spread something else. Oh, nice. But why is it showing yellow on my skin though? Bro. Yeah, this nice. This nice. It doesn't have like a lasting smell though, but I figure if you actually spray it on your clothes, like some up here, like, and you go out, they have a like a back smell, where you got continuous smell if you spray it up here, like, you know, it's not bad. It's a little bit sweeter than that one, but it can wear. It's can wear. So far so good. I have no surprises yet, like no negative surprise yet. So we are going. How many of these are there? I don't remember. So that's 1, this is 2, 3. This is 3. And this have Chinese writing. Remember me, that girl at China, when I come from China. Well, it does say cologne. Where can you see it? Can you see it? But they have Chinese writing on it though. So, like we check it out. I hope this is a blue. Oh yes, it is blue. One thing with me, when I find cologne and the liquid is blue, I have a better chance, especially when I'm doing unboxing, right? I don't know why. I think about some Bath and Body Works things. I'm trying to switch from perfume into body splash again, but I don't know how I feel about that because I'm kind of liking perfumes, but I buy more cheaper. I might buy like 1 or 2, maybe 3 expensive perfume the most, but I am going to have a lot of cheaper perfumes, if you know what I mean. I like these little cheap perfumes for $10, $20. Yeah, I'll have 8, 9, probably 10 of these little cheap ones, and then I have like maybe 2, 3 expensive ones. I think the most expensive one I have up there so is probably the Coach, the Wanted, the Nautica. Not that it's not that expensive, but I think those are the, yeah. So this one, let's try this. Yeah. This I give like fancy liquor. What name? Kafas. When I'm Kafas, smelling kind of something. You know the blue. I don't know what name. What's the name of that? It's a blue alcohol, blue liquor. Yeah. This is giving that, right? And it's giving like beach. It's a beach vibe. You understand? Yeah, this one. Now this is something you can wear on the beach. I go to a nice little, maybe a beach party, or it's just giving breeze. It's giving cool. It's just giving light and refreshing. Yeah. So that's 3. What else? Is there one more? Yes, there's one more. This is 4. So this oh man, packages and plastic and them. You know, when them charge you the shipping price and all these things, after them packages, different wrapping and boxes and beer things, you know. That's why they charge all of them shipping fee, you know, because what is this? Okay, no, this one no. This robot home ocean. I guess I think I bought this. I didn't look on the amount that it holds. It says 30 ml. Of course, online it is going to appear like it is a big bottle or something. But this, I didn't expect it to be so small. And I totally forgot about this though. But they've been advertising this thing, so let's see what it is. And for some reason, I just like when them have a little dash of blue somewhere. Even if the liquid is clear, yeah, it's clear, crystal clear, but the bottle is blue. Yeah. All right, let's make sure this. I need to spread this somewhere. We need to spread nothing yet. I don't know. This just smells like this one is giving like it's giving alcohol, but it's also giving like a touch of wanted, like just a small touch of wanted. In like there's a back smell of wanted. The front smell is like just alcohol, literally, and then the scent gone. It feel really cold. It feel really mintish. It's giving a mint feel. It's giving a mint smell, but with a touch of wanted in the background, which would be a good thing if it actually lasts. But it doesn't last because the scent pretty much gone already. So I guess I'd probably just wear this to bed. All right. So yeah. So that is that for my other random perfume unboxing. $0 haul from Temu. Yeah, no surprises so far. Well, not much. Just apart from expect say the back layer would be a little bit bigger, but I mean that's fine. In terms of the scent, yeah, them never throw me off. Good job. Let's see what else in this thing. So this is, I think this is a shorts, and this is free. This is a surprise. Who's going to wear this? Me? What is this? What is this? It's not underpants. Bro, on the advertisement, I see people wearing this to the gym, like them working out in this. But no, bro. So I don't like all this. But I'm gonna put it aside. One thing, Temu not gonna go on with himself. I thought the surprise was done. Like I thought there was no surprise. Bro, what is this? What's going on, man? Then lastly, I think I got these free as well. So this or some boxes. Some boxes. Alright, so 3 nice little boxes. Them thin, but them not that thin. I'm kind of on the cheaper side. It feel like 2 little wash and then I stretch out. But them can wear. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and do the right thing. Just check down below in the description box for like a random little discount code from Temu if you plan to shop, if you plan to get some free items and stuff. Understand? Until next time, walk good, keep it locked, stay safe in these streets. Alright?